Because I'm not doing anything wrong today.
Congrats. Now you're going to go to jail just for resisting.
I'm not resisting. I'm not resisting.
Stand up.
How? I'm not resisting.
You got another pair?
Because I said I didn't want to get on my...
On June 7th, 2025 at 1:09 a.m., an officer pulled over a vehicle for broken taillights, but the stop instantly escalated when a passenger was found to have a warrant and the driver showed clear signs of intoxication.
51 the back, 127 from Gonzales to 12.
Sorry, you can have
Hello, how's everybody doing?
Good, how are you?
Doing good. You're being pulled over, you got no taillights on. Okay, can I see your driver's license, registration, insurance?
Yeah, absolutely.
Do you have ID on you, ma'am?
My purse is in my trunk
Okay.
with my ID, my license.
Okay, what's your name?
Jennifer.
You're the owner of the car?
I am.
Okay. What about the proof of insurance for the car?
It's on my phone.
It's on your phone?
Yeah.
Can you pull it up?
Yeah, absolutely.
Roll down the back window for me too, please.
You want that one?
Yep.
My phone is back there with my purse.
Okay, who's your insurance through?
It's through Allstate.
They not give you a piece of paper for that?
No, it's on my phone.
Digital.
Just like everybody else's is on their phone.
Mostly digital.
Okay. Where y'all headed to? Okay. Where y'all headed from tonight?
You just left Waffle House.
What's that?
You're at Waffle House.
Okay. Y'all IDs on y'all, the passengers? Get your IDs real quick.
Actually, my purse, I left my wallet at the beach, so my wallet is gone.
Okay. What's your name?
Courtney?
Courtney? Courtney with a C or with a K?
Pull me over because of my tail.
You have no taillights on.
Okay, can I get down and see?
No, ma'am. You're going to stay right there for me. Courtney with a C or a K?
Courtney with a C.
With a C?
Yes. Can I ask why I'm even being ID'd?
I'm just asking.
I mean, it's fine, but also I know that is actually, you need to have,
Thanks, sir.
you need to have some kind of, you need to call your superior in, because this is
No, ma'am. I'm just asking. You don't have to provide it.
I mean, no, it is, because I'm a passenger.
Okay.
I'm being honest with you, but that also is, I've
Okay.
never.
Hang tight. Right back with y'all, okay?
38 years old.
Yeah, should be good. Hey, go to the driver's side. I think she's gonna be sitting on one. Just tell me what you think.
Need me?
What's up?
You need me?
Yeah, hold on. Passenger rear has got a warrant for county.
Okay.
I think the driver's gonna be sitting on one as well.
Oh, nice.
So,
She don't like that light in her eyes.
what's that?
So she don't like the light in her eyes.
No, I'm very certain she's sitting on one.
This one, I'd say so.
No, she's like, her movements have been slow.
Yep.
Her speech, I can smell alcohol coming out of the car.
Yeah, her glassy eyes and everything.
Yeah. So, I want to deal with the warrant first. Dude's got a warrant.
That's a warrant.
Dude in the back seat.
Oh,
Come on.
You step out for you leave everything there. You can toss your cigarette to the side, okay?
actually, I know better.
No, ma'am, I'm not talking to you. Sir, get a step out of the car for me. Chop out for me, okay? Cool. Turn around, put your hands behind your back. We're gonna get rid of that for you.
Oh, I got it. Sure. Ain't gonna be comfortable, but you got a warrant, Bubba.
All right.
Just step out of the car. I need to talk to you, okay? Because I'm telling you to. Step out of the car for me, okay? I'm not going to go through this, ma'am. I need you to step out of the vehicle.
Ma'am, you're either going to step out of the car or we are going to physically take you.
Okay, well then you can physically take me. Because I'm not doing anything wrong today.
Congrats. Now you're going to go to jail just for resisting.
I'm not resisting. I'm not resisting.
Stand up.
How? I'm not resisting.
You got another pair?
Because
No.
I said I didn't want to get out my car. I'm
Yep.
resisting. That's some bullshit.
Well, if you want to step out, I want to talk to you about it.
No, you said.
So the issue, ma'am, is you appear to be impaired by under influence of alcohol or narcotics tonight. Driving under the influence.
Yeah, I saw where it was, man. I'll get you all that stuff, okay? Yep.
That being said, would you be willing to do some standardized field sobriety tests?
Oh, absolutely.
Okay.
All right, boss, we can walk
I
back to my
just want to know
car.
why you're at. Why you said I was resisting? Because I said
Because we told you to get out the car and you didn't, and you have to.
Okay.
The encounter resulted in an arrest after Jennifer refused orders to exit. later rejecting a breathalyzer despite a bottle of cinnamon whiskey being found in the vehicle.
Well, hey, Sarge, let me hold you for a second.
Yeah.
No, she's actually willing to do a field sobriety test.
Okay.
So, will you hold her over here while I go put my car over there for something? For her?
With who? The passenger?
Yeah.
This way.
It's gonna be hard for me to do that.
Hey, Zach, we gotta get her on the flip flop.
Oh, okay. I'll get it for her.
Here's his phone as well.
I'm just trying to be nice so that way we're not towing your car.
There you go, dear. Hey, Bubba. Mercado. Can you do me a favor? I'll stay with her for a second. I don't got a camera in my car.
Yeah.
Put your car in that parking lot, set up for FSTs for me. Yeah. I'll be over there in a second. Then I'll have us switch out. Well,
Definitely wouldn't have known that about, how would we know about him?
I think the issue is all y'all been drinking alcohol all night. It's mistake number one.
So you guys took her, had she just stepped out and talked to you, would
I mean,
been a little different?
it'd be 100% different. But she said no. That's what happens when you say no to the police.
well, I care about her, and
No.
obviously she's a really good friend to me.
Just cancel. Hey, Mercado, just bring your car back over. Sorry.
Can I try to
No.
tell her to calm down?
How can you get home?
I will get home. I will be.
Well, here's the deal. We're going to tow the car. I'm towing the car. Okay. You can't drive because you're drunk.
No, I'm not drunk, but I
You're
would
intoxicated.
never say that I would drive. I know
You're
better than
intoxicated.
that. Drive. I know
You're
better than
intoxicated.
that.
Nothing against you being intoxicated. You're a passenger in a car.
Who am I going with? Her or you?
No, put her in the back of your car.
No.
We're going to do FSTs, but
Can I,
she's trying to slip cuffs and stuff.
can I please tell her to calm down? Can I have a moment? Can I step out?
Not at all.
Just
No.
please. I am right here with you.
Alrighty.
That's the last thing I want to say.
Alright. So, I now need you to say about the car for me. Okay, you're not in trouble. Understand that. I just need you to say about the car because, you know.
What's your name?
Courtney.
Another female.
Okay. Courtney, do you wish to go stand in front of my car for me, Courtney?
That's cool.
No, that's Jennifer.
But it's Courtney in the card.
She won't give me her. She did not want to give her date of birth. Would you like to help me inventory the vehicle?
Take an inventory of the vehicle.
Yeah, the car's gonna get towed.
Here's your stuff. Yeah, I got you.
Bottle, open the fireball, cinnamon whiskey.
Oh, by the driver?
Yeah.
Yeah, he did a whole bottle of that.
Courtney subject in the car. Can you run her out of Virginia?
I didn't put a Courtney subject in the card. Did you?
Oh, well. Oh, I'm sorry. She said she gave you her 14.
No, she gave me first and last name, but didn't want to give her date of birth.
No, I did get my date of birth.
Oh, you didn't? Oh, drunk people. The driver's clearly intoxicated. Won't do FSTs due to resisting and trying to get out of her handcuffs. Told her stuff out, she said no.
47. Can you run it all the way out of Virginia? By name, date, birth, possible.
Courtney put her hand back here whenever I had pulled him over. Like up against the, right there.
I know us having someone that we
Courtney? Do you have a way to get home? You said that you'd figure it out. Do you want to stand by here with us while you get somebody to come over here and get you, or?
I'll be fine.
You sure?
We're going to be here for a minute.
I was wondering, like, with her car,
It's being towed.
they're just towing.
Yeah, it's being used in a
that's
DUI.
right,
It's
to
being towed.
impact.
Hey, you got your implied consent paper? Hey, question for you. Hey, I'm arrested this chick for DUI. She's pretty hammered. She went and got the car, so we arrested her, so we're not going to do FSDs. I'm assuming I still need to ask her if she'd blow, right?
They sit down there. Nothing's kind of, I'm like, oh, hell no.
That's what I figured. Yeah. I gotta go ask her if she'll blow.
Yeah, she fucking pulled them.
Did you get your apply consent thing in case she doesn't blow?
All day, dude.
You the best though. You lock your car real quick. Hey, Miss Cleve, here's the deal. So, you're going to jail tonight for driving under the influence. Okay. Are you willing to provide a sample of your breath? Determine the blood alcohol content?
How can you arrest me for driving under influence when I haven't provided anything at all?
Okay, it's a yes or no question, ma'am.
No, I understand that.
Okay. I'm not going, ma'am, listen, Miss Cleve, I'm not here to debate. Okay, it's a yes or no question. Are you willing? You said no. Okay. Listen to what I'm saying, okay? If you fail to submit to the test I've requested of you, your privilege to operate a motor vehicle will be suspended for a period of 1 year for first refusal, or for a period of 18 months if your privilege has previously been suspended. That being in mind, do you still wish to not provide a sample of your breath?
Yeah, so what's the point? I'm already arrested, so...
Okay. So you will not provide a sample?
No.
Okay, all right. You're going to jail. Your car's being
I was
towed.
already going to...
Have we already called for?
Yeah, I already did.
Following the arrest on June 7, 2025, Jennifer was transported to the county jail for booking after her late-night refusal to step out of the vehicle and her subsequent denial of a breath sample. The initial stop for malfunctioning taillights quickly escalated once officers flagged her passenger's active warrant and noted clear signs of impairment, which were further substantiated by the discovery of the bottle of cinnamon whiskey. In court, the body camera footage documenting her non-compliance and the distinct physical signs of intoxication provided the prosecution with a rock-solid case, despite the lack of a chemical breath test. Her vehicle was towed from the scene, and her driver's license was administratively suspended due to the refusal to test under implied consent laws. Ultimately, Jennifer chose to plead no contest to both DUI and resisting an officer. The court placed her on probation and allowed her to enroll in a pre-trial diversion program, which she successfully completed, avoiding a permanent conviction on her record. Subscribe to Bodycam Real Files for more raw footage and illegal outcomes of high-stakes police encounters.